The EVBB is the European Association of Institutes for Vocational Training. As a European umbrella association, the members are VET providers at national, regional and local level. The EVBB strives for qualitative improvement of vocational education and training in European countries and even beyond. It offers its members access to European authorities and promotes VET on the European scale. In this regard, ENAIP is a very important and active member. It has developed strong ties with member organizations in Germany, France and Austria. The most important funding opportunities are the Erasmus Plus programs. They are widely used by ENAIP and other members. A big step was made last year when we decided to launch an initiative improving the conditions of refugees. This VET initiative will continue to be implemented in the years to come. If we want to help refugees to build their future, we need to increase our education potentials. VET is here the most important tool to ease the path for refugees into Europe. Talking about the labor market, we absolutely need companies, because they will be ones to hire the labor force that we are educating currently. Education is a fundamental human right. If we say yes to integration, we have to stand up for this right and defend it. The so-called digital revolution needs new professions and new skills. Hence, it is vital that more and more web providers and companies are working together to win the race. To do so, we need a good mix of social and ethical standards and an effective strategy of web providers and companies.